Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to reset the Bosch dishwasher. First, open the dishwasher door so you can access the control panel. Now locate the start or reset button. On some Bosch dishwasher models, it may be labeled reset 3 sec or something similar. Press and hold the start or reset button for 3 to 5 seconds. You may see the display change to 0:00 or 0:01, or you might hear the drain pump start running. Next, close the dishwasher door. The dishwasher will begin draining any remaining water from the current cycle. Wait about 1 minute for the draining process to finish completely. Once the draining is done, press the on or off button to turn the dishwasher off. Then wait a few seconds and turn it back on again. The dishwasher should now be reset and ready for a new wash cycle. If your Bosch dishwasher has dedicated cancel drain buttons, open the door and locate the 2 buttons with dots beneath them, usually found on either side of the middle button. Press and hold both cancel drain buttons for 3 to 5 seconds. Then close the door and allow the dishwasher to drain the water. Wait for the draining process to finish. After that, turn the dishwasher off and back on using the on or off button. Your Bosch dishwasher should now be reset and ready to use. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.